Hey everyone! Ever dreamt of gliding alongside vibrant coral reefs or discovering mysterious shipwrecks deep underwater? If you're a scuba diving enthusiast or just looking for your next big adventure, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 9 breathtaking underwater worlds that are a must-see for every scuba lover. Whether you're drawn to crystal-clear waters, exotic marine life, or unique underwater landscapes, there's something here for you. Join us as we explore these incredible scuba diving destinations that'll leave you in awe of the ocean's wonders. Raja Ampat, Indonesia Coral Kingdom. Located in Indonesia's West Papua, Raja Ampat is a diver's dream. Imagine descending into waters rich with life, where vibrant coral gardens stretch as far as the eye can see. Known as the Amazon of the sea, Raja Ampat is home to over 1,500 species of fish and nearly 600 coral species, making it one of the most biodiverse marine spots on the planet. Every dive offers a unique experience, from drift dives along coral walls to close encounters with manta rays and sharks. As you swim through this underwater paradise, you'll feel like you're on a different planet. Brightly colored fish dart around, and schools of barracudas form hypnotic spirals. Beyond the vibrant life, Raja Ampat also features fascinating underwater formations, including arches, caves, and overhangs. Each site reveals a different facet of the ocean's beauty, from pristine coral reefs to sandy bottoms filled with rare critters. One of the highlights here is diving with majestic manta rays at Manta Sandy, a cleaning station where these gentle giants glide gracefully above. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned diver, Raja Ampat's clear waters and rich marine life make it an unforgettable destination. With visibility reaching up to 30 meters, you'll be able to truly appreciate the colors, textures, and variety that this underwater ecosystem offers. Raja Ampat isn't just a diving trip, it's an immersive journey into the wonders of the natural world. Every dive here is a reminder of how diverse and fragile our oceans are, inspiring a deep appreciation for marine conservation. This is one place where you'll wish you could stay underwater forever. Great Blue Hole, Belize, a natural mystery. Imagine dropping into a giant underwater sinkhole surrounded by vibrant marine life. Welcome to Belize's Great Blue Hole. This circular abyss, over 300 meters across and 125 meters deep, is a bucket list dive site for adventurers around the globe. The sheer walls of the Blue Hole lead to impressive rock formations and eerie ancient stalactites, creating a hauntingly beautiful landscape like nowhere else on Earth. As you descend, you'll notice a shift from warm, clear water to cooler, darker depths, a journey that feels almost otherworldly. The Blue Hole is more than just a dive, it's an experience that challenges and excites. Beyond its geological wonder, the hole is teeming with unique marine life. Reef sharks are common here, often swimming in slow circles around divers. Once you reach the 40-meter mark, you'll find yourself surrounded by stalactites, remnants from when the Blue Hole was a dry cave thousands of years ago. These formations are reminders of the Earth's changing landscapes, adding a sense of mystery and history to every dive. Swimming through these formations feels like venturing into an underwater cathedral. Diving the Great Blue Hole isn't just about the thrill of exploring this natural wonder, it's about connecting with one of the most unique ecosystems on our planet. This destination offers the perfect blend of beauty, history, and adventure, making it a must-visit for every scuba diving enthusiast. Barracuda Point, Sipadan, Malaysia, shark encounters. In Malaysia's Sipadan Island, Barracuda Point is famous for its thrilling dives and diverse marine life. Known for its massive schools of barracudas, this dive site lets you witness an awe-inspiring natural spectacle. The swirling formation of barracudas, known as a tornado, is just one highlight among the many unforgettable scenes you'll encounter underwater. Beyond the barracudas, you'll find yourself surrounded by a vibrant reef bustling with life. Giant green turtles swim gracefully alongside you, and there's always the chance of spotting reef sharks cruising in the deeper blue. This is one of the few places where you can experience such a dense and diverse marine population in one dive, making it a true underwater oasis. The current at Barracuda Point adds to the excitement, creating a natural drift dive that allows you to cover more ground effortlessly. As you glide along, you'll encounter a range of species, from eagle rays to parrotfish, all thriving in this vibrant ecosystem. This is a dynamic and fast-paced dive, perfect for thrill seekers and experienced divers looking for an unforgettable underwater experience. Barracuda Point's sheer diversity and density of marine life are a testament to the ocean's resilience and beauty. Every dive here is a powerful reminder of how essential it is to protect these underwater habitats for future generations. Silfrafisher, Iceland dive between two continents. Located in Iceland's Thingvellir National Park, the Silfrafisher offers a unique scuba experience, diving between two tectonic plates. Silfra is the only place in the world where you can dive between the North American and Eurasian continents. The waters are glacial, but with visibility that extends over 100 meters, every detail in this submerged wonderland is crystal clear. The colors in Silfra are extraordinary. The clarity of the water combined with the vibrant shades of the submerged lava rocks and moss-covered surfaces creates an almost surreal scene. Swimming through narrow canyons, you're constantly reminded of the incredible forces of nature that formed this landscape. The purity of the water, filtered over decades through volcanic rock, offers a visibility that divers describe as nothing short of magical. The dive consists of several sections: Silfra Hall, Silfra Cathedral, and Silfra Lagoon. Each part provides a different visual experience, from narrow corridors to wider, cathedral-like spaces. Even in cold temperatures, the visibility and distinct landscape make Silfra one of the most mesmerizing dive spots in the world. The geology is fascinating, with the stark contrast of rocky surfaces meeting the deep blues and greens of the crystal waters. Silfra isn't just about diving, it's about experiencing a unique geological marvel. As you glide between two continents, you're touching the edge of tectonic plates. This isn't just a dive, it's a journey into the very heart of the Earth's structure, and one you'll never forget. Cozumel, Mexico, the drift diver's paradise. Cozumel is a gem of the Caribbean, offering warm waters, colorful reefs, and fantastic drift diving. Known for its strong currents, Cozumel is perfect for those who enjoy the thrill of a natural drift dive. As the current sweeps you along, you barely need to kick. Just relax and let the underwater landscape reveal itself. Cozumel's marine parks are well protected, ensuring vibrant coral gardens teeming with life. The coral formations here are breathtaking. Pillars, walls, and canyons all make up this underwater landscape, where vibrant sponges and corals host an array of marine life. Divers frequently spot eagle rays, nurse sharks, and massive schools of tropical fish. Palancar Reef, one of Cozumel's most famous dive sites, offers towering coral walls and intricate caves for divers to explore. Cozumel's water clarity adds to its allure, often exceeding 30 meters. This means that even as the current moves you along, you're treated to an uninterrupted view of the dynamic underwater world. Every twist and turn reveals a new scene, from tunnels teeming with life to expansive sandy patches where stingrays rest. Drift diving in Cozumel is a unique experience. The effortless glide through the water, coupled with stunning views and diverse marine life, creates an experience that's as exhilarating as it is peaceful. This is drift diving at its best and an adventure you'll want to repeat. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador, evolution's playground. The Galapagos Islands are known for their unique biodiversity, and this extends beneath the waves as well. Diving here means encountering species found nowhere else on Earth, including marine iguanas and Galapagos sharks. With its remote location and pristine waters, the Galapagos offers divers the chance to witness evolutionary wonders in real time. A dive at Darwin Island and Wolf Island is like stepping into a marine wonderland. These sites are famous for schools of hammerhead sharks, massive whale sharks, and playful sea lions. The currents can be challenging, making the Galapagos best suited for experienced divers, but for those up for the adventure, the rewards are beyond compare. Beyond large pelagic species, the Galapagos is home to intricate coral formations, small reef fish, and volcanic rock structures. Each dive is different, offering encounters with creatures like manta rays, dolphins, and even penguins. The biodiversity here is astonishing, a reminder of nature's adaptability and evolution. Diving in the Galapagos is more than just an adventure. It's an educational journey through evolution. This UNESCO World Heritage Site provides a diving experience that's as unique as the islands themselves, with a sense of discovery that's palpable on every dive. Red Sea, Egypt, the coral garden of the Middle East. The Red Sea is a diver's paradise, offering warm waters, stunning coral reefs, and year-round diving opportunities. Egypt's Red Sea coast, including famous spots like Sharm el-Sheikh and Dahab, is renowned for its colorful coral gardens and rich marine life. The visibility here is exceptional, often exceeding 30 meters, making every dive a visual feast. Diving in the Red Sea is like swimming through an underwater Eden. Vibrant corals, teeming schools of fish, and an impressive array of sea creatures make every dive memorable. Ras Mohammed National Park, a protected area, is one of the most popular spots, known for its incredible coral formations and a variety of marine life. Wreck diving enthusiasts will enjoy the SS Thistle Gorm, a World War II shipwreck that has become an artificial reef. Exploring the wreck is a fascinating dive, with much of its cargo, motorbikes, trucks, and more, still intact. Swimming through this underwater museum adds a sense of history to the experience. The Red Sea's diversity and clarity make it a top choice for divers worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Red Sea offers a range of sights that promise breathtaking beauty, making each dive feel like an exploration of a marine paradise. Bonaire, Caribbean Netherlands, shore diving capital of the world. Bonaire is famed for its shore diving, offering easy access to vibrant reefs right from the shore. Located in the Caribbean, Bonaire's clear waters and healthy reefs have made it a top choice for divers who prefer the flexibility of shore diving over boat trips. The island's entire coastline is a protected marine park, ensuring the underwater environment remains pristine. The beauty of diving in Bonaire lies in its accessibility. Popular sites like Hilma Hooker, a sunken cargo ship, and the vibrant reefs of Klein Bonaire are just a few steps from the shore. Coral reefs here are home to an incredible array of species, from seahorses to eagle rays, all thriving in the calm, clear waters. Every dive site is marked, making it easy for divers to explore at their own pace. The lack of strong currents means even beginners can enjoy Bonaire's reefs, which are teeming with life. The ease of shore diving allows you to plan your dives around your schedule, with plenty of time to explore both day and night. Bonaire offers a laid-back dive experience, combining the beauty of the Caribbean with the convenience of shore access. The result is a relaxed yet awe-inspiring dive experience that's perfect for both seasoned divers and newcomers. Palau, Micronesia, the gem of the Pacific. Palau, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is a paradise for divers. Known for its crystal-clear waters, diverse marine life, and impressive underwater landscapes, Palau offers some of the best diving in the world. From famous sites like Blue Corner to the jellyfish-filled waters of Jellyfish Lake, Palau's unique ecosystems make it a must-visit for divers. The Blue Corner is Palau's signature dive, famous for its strong currents and abundant marine life. Divers use reef hooks to stay in place as the current sweeps by, offering a thrilling view of sharks, barracudas, and Napoleon rasa. The marine life here is abundant and varied, with countless species coexisting in this vibrant ecosystem. One of Palau's unique attractions is Jellyfish Lake, where divers and snorkelers can swim with harmless golden jellyfish. This surreal experience feels like floating through a galaxy of stars with jellyfish surrounding you in every direction. It's an encounter that's as peaceful as it is mesmerizing. Palau's diverse dive sites offer something for every level of dive. The pristine reefs, dramatic drop-offs, and vibrant marine life create an underwater paradise that's hard to match. Palau is a place that will leave you breathless and eager to dive again. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world's best scuba diving destinations. Each of these locations offers a unique underwater experience, from swimming with rare species to exploring ancient wrecks. If you're inspired to explore these wonders, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge for more breathtaking adventures. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on our next dive into the wonders of the world. Until then, keep diving, exploring, and protecting our oceans.